have always felt that transition from traditional finance to decentralized finance is inevitable. I can't say that I've not enjoyed being in Decentralized Masters.
Can you tell us a little bit about your background and what you do for a living?
Yeah, so my background, I have a PhD in biochemistry, postdoctorate in bioengineering. So I come from like a life science research background. That skill set has kind of taken me along the path of consulting in healthcare, technology, AI, and more recently doing equity research at an investment bank on the biotech side. So we essentially apply our skills to do the research of how to analyze a drug in terms of how it works. And then we pair that with, financials to see if a company is worth investing in or not. I would say that, more recently, I've been looking at opportunities more kind of aligned with what DeFi brings, which is more control, if you will. So I've been looking at kind of different opportunities in the investment space for me to branch out in that area.
What was your biggest challenge before starting the program?
I wouldn't say I necessarily had a big challenge. I knew at the time prior to the program that cryptocurrency has obviously been there for years, right? And for me, it was figuring out a path toward understanding this space more because I have always felt that transition from traditional finance to decentralized finance is inevitable. And obviously not just in the finance industry, right? It's kind of cuts across multiple different industries, like you're seeing it in decentralized science as an example. I think it was just for me understanding what the program offered more than saying in my mind that I had a big challenge. It was just understanding the nuts and bolts of the program.
How did Decentralized Masters solve the problem?
Yeah, for sure. I think having a decent amount of time, which was 6 months, knowing that I had 6 months, obviously, to start learning the space at a deeper level, not just obviously the investing part. I think that the investing part is almost easy when it comes to clicking buttons, but it's understanding the process to get there. And I think that you guys have done a good job in educating me and other members in terms of what blockchain is, what cryptocurrency is, right? Not just coins, but tokens as well. So I like the fact that you give kind of a broad view of things, and then we can drill down into the different areas of the landscape, if you will. So I think that broad understanding was key for me. And then obviously having access to the recordings in case if I ever missed anything, that's very important because, we're all most of us are working and have different things going on. And then having access to the mentors, different analysts was key as well versus just being left on your own, because as I always say, it's always important to have a coach or a mentor to walk you through any questions you might have.
What do you like most about Decentralized Masters?
I do like the steps. The steps are important to kind of guide someone that might be new or even someone that has experience in it, because you guys have seen different cycles and you've seen how the technology has evolved over the years. You've probably figured out steps that might have worked better maybe 5 years ago or 2 years ago, but now you might change the order of the steps to make it easier, if you will. So that's really helpful. And then obviously having the analysts and the traders on board, their insights are always key in kind of walking us through potential pitfalls.
Has the program taught you how to create passive income?
Yes, it has. I think for me, obviously the LPs, I wanted to kind of understand that a little bit more. Now, granted, it wasn't initially the thought process was, okay, cool, 30%, 15 to 30% really sounds amazing, like relative to what the S&P might give. But then you kind of learn about, okay, with the bull market coming, there's a strategy to obviously not just put all the money in LPs. You guys had indicated and shared that, it's probably wiser to rotate out of LPs and start putting it into those assets that are gonna, potentially 2, 3x or even 5x or more. So that was the kind of broadening for me to kind of understand that. The journey's been great in terms of not looking at kind of like short-term gains, and this is just my perspective, just understanding, okay, ups and downs, the volatility, kind of becoming friendly with that versus FOMOing, right? And kind of getting scared if something goes down 20%, it's okay in crypto. Even to have like a long-term view, Obviously, we're in the, what, maybe 95,000 for Bitcoin as an example. Long-term view, I think is still going to go up significantly. So even if somebody missed when it was around 60, you're still in a good place, grand scheme of things.
What do you think about DeFi?
I think the potential it's like a blue ocean, which means like anything's possible almost, right? I think like someone had said, like there's these cycles that occur, like political cycles, financial cycles, technological cycles, you name it. With this technology, I would just say blockchain in general, because that's like almost the infrastructure, if you will. Finance is just one arm of that. Then you've got all these different other industries, right? Like supply chain or manufacturing, if you will, healthcare, life sciences, real world assets like real estate, even gold, like commodities. All of this is, I think, going towards like a blockchain application slash DeFi kind of look. And with me coming from the life science space, I can foresee that transactions will be done using cryptocurrency versus USD or fiat currency. And I think it's just an industry that's really going to evolve quickly. I think the future is good and the outlook is good on that. And, time will obviously tell in terms of how it's going to turn out. But in these like kind of fresh waters is where a lot of money can be made.
Would you recommend this program?
Yes, I would, and I continue to do that to people that I think would value something like this. So yeah, that's something that I truly believe in. I do like what you guys have to offer. So yeah, you guys have done a fantastic job. I get the whole idea of this being a fast evolving space. Some people are gonna enjoy it, some people won't, but that's like anything in life. I can't say that I've not enjoyed being in Decentralized Masters.